Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate your new debit card from Canara Bank through your web browser. So first, you need to open your web browser, your preferred web browser. I'm using Firefox. You can use any browser like. So on the address bar or the Google search bar, you're going to type in Canara Bank. So you're going to click on the account opening, or just the first link. Let's say the first link. You're gonna click on the first link from Canara Bank. So now what you're gonna click on is net banking login right there on the right side of the page. Now what you're gonna click on is this link right there. A new tab opens. Now it'll ask for something like this. You're gonna enter your user ID, you're gonna enter your password, then you can choose either a image captcha like this or an audio captcha. So just enter the captcha or just complete the captcha. Then you're going to click on login. Right, so if there's some two-factor authentications like OTP or a email to your address, just complete the instructions. And when you are logged in to your account, on the main page you are gonna go to the debit card section, click on activate your debit card. So once you do that, you're gonna be presented with a set of steps or instructions. You complete this set of steps, giving out correct information about your debit card or your account, and when you complete these set of steps, your debit card will be successfully activated. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.